Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver doing another quick video to show you how to add extra stops along your route when you order an Uber. But before I do that, if you've never tried Lyft, I've got some free ride credits in the description below, so go ahead and be sure to check that out. So let's get right into Uber, and it's as simple as this. When you go into Where To, you'll see this plus sign to the right, and if you tap that plus sign, here is where you can add your stops. So I'm just going to choose the Portland International Airport. You can actually add, beside your destination, 2 stops in between, so a total of 3 stops along your route. And that can be super convenient if you need to pick up a friend along the way, that kind of thing. But as you can see, they really would like you to keep it under 3 minutes or less. Because it's a courtesy to the driver, because they really don't get paid that much in the waiting stance. So anyways, hopefully this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe, share, and like. And thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the road.